Hi seniors, today you will create a Parchment account, which is an account that every senior needs in order to request your official transcript. You'll also be given instructions on how to send your transcript through Parchment. This is a sample seniors transcript. So we have courses and grades earned for freshman year, sophomore year, junior year, and then enrolled courses for senior year with the grades yet to be posted. Down here you'll see total credits earned, graduation requirements that are met, GPA, class rank, and of course you all need to take the SAT state test this fall as a final graduation requirement. So for the last 3 years, you've been building your transcript. Your transcript is a record of the courses you've taken, the grades you've earned, your GPA and class rank. At the end of your senior year, this year, your official transcript will demonstrate that you have met graduation requirements and you earned a diploma. You'll need a copy of your transcript for nearly every plan after high school. You'll need it to apply to colleges, trade schools, to enlist in the military, or to provide it to an employer for full-time employment. Leiden uses a service called Parchment. Parchment is the service we use so that you can request and send your transcript electronically. It's secure, it's fast, it allows you to track your transcript as you send it to colleges or employers. All seniors must have an account. You've received an email in your Leiden student inbox. So we're going to ask you to open that email, go to your Leiden Gmail account, open the email from Parchment, and follow the directions on the following slides. All right, once you've accessed the email in your Leiden inbox from Parchment, you're going to open it up and click Register for your free account. After you click Register for your free account, you'll need to click Finish Signing Up. To complete your account creation, you'll need to do just a couple of things. First of all, where it states your Leiden email, you need to change the email to a personal email account. Your Leiden account will be disabled shortly after you graduate this year, so it'll be easier to create a personal email account for Parchment so that you're able to access your official transcript as an alumni up to years after you've already graduated from Leiden. So after you've changed your email to a personal email, then go ahead and create a password that you will not forget, one that's easy for you to remember. And once you've created your password, you're then going to update your date of birth, your gender, your grade, and the year you will be entering college. For most of you, that will be 2021. All right, there are a couple of final steps to finish your account creation. Make sure that you choose the option, No, I do not wish to share my information or transcripts with colleges that may be interested in me. This isn't something that you have to do to have a Parchment account, and by choosing No, you won't get a lot of extra spam or emails. Also, choose that I do waive my rights to access. And then there are 3 final checkboxes to complete your account. You need to check yes that you authorize Leiden to send a copy of your transcript. Yes that you have your parents' permission to create this account. Go ahead and ask them and then choose yes. And finally, yes, you agree to the terms and conditions. After you've completed those simple steps, you may have a box that pops up asking, are you sure you don't want to fill in more information about colleges and majors and etc.? You do not need to complete this part. Go ahead and just close that box. And that's it. You have successfully created your Parchment account. If you need any help in creating that account, we've provided you the slides where you can click for the written directions, or feel free to email your counselor for assistance. Once you're ready to begin sending your transcript, you will follow the instructions on the slides that you can click and find. They're also found on the Student Services Leiden website. To simply log in and send your transcript to those who require it for your next step. Great job and good luck!